A drug of natural origin based on the product of the vital activity of bees, propolis. Propolis, bee glue, is a mixture of wax, resins, essential oils, and a number of other natural compounds, flavonoids, cinnamic acid salts, benzoic acid. It has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antipyretic, and analgesic properties, accelerates the process of regeneration and epithelialization of wound surface. Indications: microtrauma, superficial damage to the skin and mucous membranes, pustular diseases of the skin and mucous membranes, inflammatory diseases of the oral cavity and pharynx, arterial gingivitis, aphthous stomatitis, tonsillitis, pharyngitis, chronic purulent otitis media, sinusitis, periodontitis, pruritic dermatosis. How to use: propolis tincture is used only topically in the form of applications, rinses, washes, and also in the form of inhalations. With microtraumas of propolis, the tincture is applied with a swab to the affected area of the skin or mucous membrane 2 to 3 times a day. In case of otitis, a swab moistened with tincture is injected into the external auditory canal after it has been cleaned. For 1 to 2 minutes or 1 to 2 drops of the drug are instilled 3 to 4 times a day. With pharyngitis and tonsillitis, propolis tincture lubricates the mucous membranes on the pharynx and tonsils 2 to 3 times a day for 8 to 15 days. In chronic tonsillitis, the drug is also used to prepare an inhalation solution, mixing propolis tincture with water in a ratio of 1:20. Spend 1 to 2 inhalations per day for 7 to 10 days. The paranasal sinuses are washed with a mixture of propolis tincture with saline, 0.9% sodium chloride solution in a ratio of 1:10, 2 times a day for 2 weeks. In case with periodontal diseases, tampons moistened with propolis tincture turundos are introduced into the periodontal cavities for 5 minutes. To rinse the mouth with superficial lesions and damage to the mucous membrane, a solution prepared by diluting 30 to 40 drops of propolis tincture in 100 ml of warm water is used. Rinsing is carried out 4 to 5 times a day for 3 to 4 days. Contraindications: hypersensitivity, eczema. Side effects: allergic reactions, redness of the skin, rash, itch.